Imagine this. You finally have some extra money. Not a lot, maybe $500 this month. And for the first time, you actually want to do the smart thing. But here's the problem. No matter what you choose, you might be making the wrong move. If you pay off debt, you miss investing gains. If you invest, your debt keeps growing. So what actually makes you richer? Here's what most people don't realize. The advice you've been hearing is incomplete. You've heard things like, start investing early, pay off all your debt first. And yeah, both sound smart. But both can be wrong because they ignore one thing: your situation. Most people don't have a money system. They just react. Credit card bill shows up, panic, pay it. Market goes up, excitement, invest. No plan, no structure. And that's exactly why you can earn more money and still feel broke. So here's what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to show you a simple system that tells you exactly when to pay off debt and when to invest. No confusion. Let's say you're in this situation. You've got $8,000 in credit card debt at around 22% interest. And somehow you've managed to save $500 extra every month. Now what? Most people think like this. Investing gives around 10% returns, so I'll invest. Sounds logical, right? But here's what they miss. Debt is not just a number. It's a guaranteed loss. If your credit card interest is 22%, you are losing 22% every single year, no matter what, you. So if you invest while holding that debt, you're basically trying to build wealth while bleeding money at the same time. It doesn't work. But here's where it gets interesting. There is one situation where investing actually makes more sense than paying off